Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's great to have you. Today we're checking out a feature-rich tablet that aims to do it all without breaking the bank. The QDDQ P80 Android 14 2-in-1 tablet. It's packed with powerful specs and even comes with a keyboard, mouse, and stylus. Let's see what this bundle has to offer. The QDDQ P80 runs on the latest Android 14, giving users a clean, updated experience with full access to the Google Play Store. It comes with 12 gigabytes RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte, making it ideal for storing media, apps, and documents. Its 11-inch IPS touchscreen delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors. With Widevine L1 certification, you'll enjoy full HD streaming on platforms like Prime Video and Disney+. It's also easier on the eyes with reduced blue light for longer viewing comfort. Under the hood, the Octa-core processor delivers reliable speed for multitasking, gaming, and video playback. And with an 8,000 mAh battery, you can count on all-day usage without constantly reaching for the charger. Connectivity is solid with dual-band 2.4 GHz/5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. You also get a 5-megapixel front camera and 8-megapixel rear camera, perfect for video calls and casual photos. The dual speakers enhance your entertainment experience with clear audio. This tablet is more than just a screen. It's a complete productivity setup. With the included keyboard, wireless mouse, stylus, and case, it easily shifts from entertainment hub to portable workstation. All in all, the QDDQ P80 is a solid option if you're looking for an all-in-one Android tablet with great features and real versatility. If you like this review, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future tech content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to help out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.